After successful installation of Cacti, we are going to see how to import Cacti templates into system. Cacti already comes with default templates and importer utilities, so we're going to use them. However, we will be using Linux template for this tutorial. Before we get started, let's understand what template means. You can think of as a container for graphs. So let's look at an example of Linux template. So it will have all Linux machines related graphs in there. So for instance, CPU utilization, load average, memory usage, number of users logged in, and etc. So if you got a Linux client, it wouldn't make sense to assign that client to a Windows template because the graphs that are related to Windows template is not going to match with Linux machine. So I think it gives you a rough idea what template means. Okay, let's move on to template installation now. So first of all, locate the templates, so which is under user share Cacti install templates. So now we're going to see how to install a sample one. So let's use Cisco router. The importer is under CLI. So I've already copied in my clipboard. So import package and file name. Okay, let's run this. Permission denied. So the import package doesn't have execute right. So we just need to quickly give execute right. Okay, successfully imported. Let's have a look. Templates, device. Cisco router successfully imported. So same way we can import another template. So let's go back and change to generic. Okay, let's go back and check it out. Yeah, so generic template installed as well. As I mentioned in the previous video, we are going to install Linux generic template, which is going to have all the graphs we are looking for. So let's head over to the website cacti.net and template. So that is the zip file. So let's have a quick look at the graphs. So CPU usage, load average, memory usage, Ethernet traffic, uptime, and number of users logged in, and etc. Okay, so now we need to download that zip file and import into our system. So we are going to use CLI based tool, which already comes with Cacti. Okay, so first of all, wget and get the zip file. So it's downloaded. Now unzip that zip file. Okay, so as you can see, it's an XML file. So Cacti got a tool called import template. So in previous video we saw import package, which will import zip files. This time we are going to import XML files, so we have to use import template. So as you see, it's not executable, so let's quickly make it executable. Done. So now we can just import. So the syntax is actually the same. Import template and the file name. Done. So it looks like successfully imported. Let's go back and okay, automatically logged out. Quickly log in again. So device, yes, so Linux generic template is there. Right, now let's have a look what that template entails. So CPU, load average, memory usage, processors, TCP, uptime, users logged in. Excellent, that's what we are looking for.